This is an unboxing video of the Vortex Viper HS rifle scope. And here we can see this is a long-range version, 624 by 50, first focal plane MOA XLR reticle. And you may note here that this is made in the Philippines. Okay, let's take a look. A Vortex sticker, and you get a shade. Let's take a look at the scope itself. Comes with a manual and a nice cover there. Interesting that it's making sure that you don't over tighten and torque the screws. Some instructions there. As this is a slightly more budget model, we can see it just has those basic lens covers rather than flip-up caps. Feels quite light. It's got a pretty tall turret, which could be useful for when you want to peek over it. It feels a fairly slim and lightweight. It's got a diopter and a magnification control here. And then you can see it has a MOA turret here and a capped windage turret. And here we have parallax. There's no illumination on this scope. It's a fairly good long range, sort of lightweight, feels like a good hunting scope, which I believe is what the HS is designed to stand for. Let's just measure how much it weighs. Again, a lightweight, 1 pound and 5 ounces that was. So impressions on this are, it feels like a lightweight hunting orientated scope. Feels fairly well made. And we'll be testing the glass on this in a separate video. So that is an unboxing video for the Viper HS LR model hunting scope.